Hello and welcome back to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making a crispy, fluffy and mouth-watering snack, Suji Aloo snacks. Let's begin. Take 1 cup Suji or Semolina. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Now pour in half cup curd and half cup water. Blend this into a smooth batter. Blend the batter until smooth for best texture. Semolina is rich in iron and supports energy production. Potatoes provide potassium and fiber. Now add 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well until combined. Curd helps digestion and gives natural probiotics. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and give it a quick mix. Baking soda adds fluffiness, don't skip it. Add veggies like capsicum or grated carrots for more flavor and nutrition. Heat oil on medium heat. Pour a small portion of the batter into the oil and fry until golden brown and crispy. It's the perfect tea time treat or party bite, made with semolina, potatoes and curds. Always fry on medium heat so the inside cooks through. Suji or semolina is widely used in many cuisine. The curd helps give a soft inside and crispy outer crust. This snack is an innovative twist on traditional pakoras. Wasn't that quick and easy? If you try this Suji Aloo snack, let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more fun and flavorful recipes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking and stay well.